In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Divergent Fist twice. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you look at Divergent Fist, you will see this tag underneath, use twice. All that you have to do is use the ability once, and then during the animation, you press the same button to use it again. So this is going to work for every single platform. If you are on PC, you just have to press 3 again. If you are on mobile, you tap it again. And if you are on console, you will have to press a specific button on your controller again. But this is how it looks if you get it right. Now, as you can see, I pressed it again, but it was the standard animation followed by a blue attack. So basically, if you get it off properly, you will get a special animation known as a black flash, as you can see there. It is stronger than usual blue animation, but it requires strict timing that you have to learn, but you can do it reliably. Now, I am on a custom server without cooldowns, so this is why I'm able to spam it, but as you can see, all that you have to do is press the button again as your character pulls their arm back, so it should look like this. Actually, I missed it that time. I was either too late or too quick, and because of this, I didn't get the black flash. So it is definitely something that you have to do a lot before you learn. As you can see, I'm missing every single one now. However, if you are able to get it off on the correct timing, you will see the animation, and it is very satisfying to use, as you can see right there. So don't panic, don't spam the ability. I recommend that you set up a private server if you can. You go into a dummy and you just keep practicing this timing over and over. The best cue is to use the character arm when it is pulled back, and if you do it that way, it should go off. If you do it too early by spamming, it's just going to be the blue animation. If you take too long, you won't have time to actually use it in the middle of the animation. So it's very important that you always try to do it immediately after you see the character pull their arm back. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Black Flash in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.